welcome back with Cooking with Chef Puck. We definitely bring you the good stuff. I'm sorry, in this video, I'm going to be sitting down through basically the whole video. I had a procedure done on my spine today. All right, so without further ado, we're going to be making Velveeta Mac and Cheese. You know, the stuff you buy in the cups, and you water and microwave it, and then you put the cheese in it. No. I'm going to do my version of it. All right, and the ingredients that I'm going to be using, obviously, the Velveeta cheese, I cut them in 2 cups. I cut them into cubes, all right? 1/3 cup of whole milk. I don't know if you can see my little one behind me. He's our new addition to the family. Her name is called Haven. And 1/3 a cup of whole milk and 2 tablespoons of bacon fat. When I cook bacon, I save it and I strain it and I save it for later use. And it's good with cooking. Or you can use 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. All right. And for the final ingredient to spice it up, I'll be using Frank's red hot sauce, the original one. You can put this on anything. You know what I mean. All right. So once again, let's get to cooking. Be right back. All right. I'm gonna be honest with you. This cheese, it is freaking delicious. With that bacon fat, oh, it's a home run. All right, she's getting nice and smooth. I like this consistency right here. Let me turn it down a little bit. Oh yeah, now I am going to add the 1/3 cup of milk. There we go. Get this all incorporated. I'm going to turn it back up to high. Oh, yes. This is going to be some good groceries. Look how smooth. All right. Beautiful. Let me turn the fire up on the noodles, the pasta, the elbows. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Now, what I plan on doing is that I am going to put this into the refrigerator, let it chill. It'll become like a brick. I put it in like a little mold, a bowl or something, a square bowl, a glass bowl, and just let it firm up. And when you want mac and cheese, you'll have mac and cheese already made in the refrigerator. You just take how much how much noodles you want, and then you add as much cheese you want to it, and then you can put it in the microwave for a few seconds, and it's done. All right, I'm going to turn it down now. Actually, I'm going to turn it off. Get it turned off. This cheese is done. All right. So, now, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add maybe about a teaspoon of Frank's hot sauce. We'll just give it a taste, and we'll keep adjusting. Let me take it off the flame here. All right. Give it a little taste. And that is delicious, man. Wow. Okay. What I'm going to do now, I am going to remove it off the fire. And I'm going to continue cooking the pasta. All right, when the pasta's done, I'll be right back. Okay, what we're going to do now, the pasta, the elbows are cooked to al dente. Very nice. Okay, I got a makeshift cup here. All right, I can't disclose who made this, but this is what that mac and cheese comes in. So I already did the measurement. I got a 1 cup here. Take the 1 cup, move it down. We're gonna try it in different ways. Different ways. Okay. Now I have the cheese sauce. Okay, I got 1 tablespoon here. So maybe we're gonna go with 2 tablespoons. Okay. And we are going to add a touch of milk. Okay. Just a touch of milk. All right, just a touch, maybe about a half a teaspoon. Okay, so let me get the microwave set up and let's get it in. Be right back. All right, I'm gonna set this microwave for 30 seconds. And let me get a fork or a spoon. Either it will work. All right. Got 15 seconds left. Get my chair set up. All right, so we got 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's take a look at it. All right. Let me get it all set up and I shall return. All right, so I'm gonna give it a little mix here. See what we got. Yeah, it looks like it. Yes, it does. But it can look like it, but how does it taste? All right, so we did it with milk, about a teaspoon, a half a teaspoon of milk at least. Yeah, that looks good right there. So let's give it a taste test here. Yes, this is by far way better than that stuff you buy in the store in these little containers. And it's homemade. You know what's in it. So I'm going to put a lid on this and put it in the refrigerator. It should last a good long time. Or I can freeze it, either or. All right? The mac and cheese, I'm going to put into a Ziploc bag. With my family want to have mac and cheese, quick and easy, 30 seconds. 30 seconds, that's all it took. All right? But I'm going to eat this up here. And then we're going to move on to see of just doing the cheese, no milk. But, what was I going to say? So, without further ado, I'll be right back. All right, everybody. All right, we're going to try it with water now. The original way that these things come with, it tells you to put water in it. All right? All right, we're going to follow the exact instructions as this here. So I'm going to put about a teaspoon of water. I'm not going to put the cheese in yet. The cheese comes after that. So I'll be back in 30 seconds. All right, 30 seconds is up. All right, here's the pasta with the hot water. So I'm going to put at least 1 tablespoon of the cheese sauce in. Right, and now just give it a mix. You're going to see how we're going to come out. It's getting there. All right, I only put 1 tablespoon in, not 2 tablespoons. I'm going with that. How much cheese is in that cheese packet that come with these cups? Give this a taste. All right. Here we go. It tastes pretty good, but I might need to put another cheese in, but it tastes good like this. You can get that, the notes that's coming through is the bacon fat. You taste that bacon in there, all right, and you get a little hint of that Frank's hot sauce, which is delicious. But I do, if you don't have milk, you can use water, just like what they do in this cup, and this is delicious, way better than this stuff. So, it's more healthier. You know what's in it. Except that cheese, that Velveeta cheese is processed. But it works. And you can make a big batch. And it'll last you a good while. Alright? I'm going to give this thumbs up. That is delicious. Well, without further ado, I appreciate if you guys subscribe, ring the bell, give me thumbs up. All right, try the recipe. I'll put the information in the notes, and try it and enjoy it. You will definitely enjoy this. All right, but remember, you don't have to use the bacon fat. Bacon fat gives you a different level of flavor. All right, every time I cook bacon, I do not throw that bacon away. I let it cool down, I strain it, all right, and then I put it into a container, and then it just hardens up, all right, and I could just use it with cooking anything, eggs, anything that needs oil, a little bit of oil, but with that bacon. And if you don't like bacon, you don't like pork, use the unsalted butter, all right? So once again, thank you guys for tuning in on my channel. I really appreciate everything and the comments that people say, and like I said, I'm sorry for sitting down because I had a procedure, like I said, a procedure done on my back, my spinal cord today. All right. So without further ado, thank you. God bless you. And y'all guys have a wonderful evening. Good night.